Good day, students. Today we will be discussing diary entry in this video. What is diary entry? Let us take a small definition of it. A diary entry is a personal record or a document of an individual. He or she, a person, writes the account of a day on a page of a diary. And students, you must know that the diary entry is quite personal thing. One point. Second thing is that you can say it is the summary of the day. It can be summary of a day when you spend your day right from the morning till evening. Whatever happens in your life on that particular day, you write the summary of the day. And these diary entry is written in a very personal way. Means we are honest to our diary. We all have some constraint in the society. Sometimes we have to be fake in front of some people, but towards our diary we have to be very honest. Sometimes we tell a lie, and then we face some consequences. And while writing a diary we cannot we cannot write any fake information in it, because it is an honest account of our day. So before writing a diary we must know the format of it. So every writing of English has a format. Let us learn what is the format of a diary entry. Students, in the middle of the page we write the title diary entry. We write this title diary entry, and on our left hand side of the page we write date. Today is December 18, 2020. Then in the very next line we write day. Today is Friday. And then next comes the time. Let it be 8:30 p.m. So these three things come in the beginning, then leave a line here blank, and then the salutation part, dear diary. It is a kind of address. We treat our diary as a friend, and when we start writing a day's diary, we greet it by saying dear diary. Then comes, students, the content. Whatever has happened in the day, it should be written in that diary. And what generally what it contains, it contains the content. What content contains action of the day, what has happened on a particular day, then your feelings about this action, and what have you learned from that particular incident, and what are your future plans regarding this same action. So these four things are the constituents of this content of diary. And in the last, when you finish writing the content, then you leave one line blank and you write your name here. Suppose whatever your name is, suppose you are Rahul according to the question, so you will write your name, because it is an informal item, so you need not write your surname or anything else. Simply write your name and finish this diary. Children, regarding date, how do we write a date in diary or in any item, like you write a letter or you're writing a diary or notice? How the date should be written with each and every item I discussed this thing with you. Generally students write date in this way: 18/12/2020 or 18.12.2020. These are wrong methods. You are advised not to write date in this manner. How a date should be written? First of all, you mention the month, December. Then you mention the date, 18, and then you mention the year. So date should be written in this manner only. Students, I have prepared a sample diary entry for you. Let us read what is it all about. I think it is visible to you. Sample diary. This is your question. I have taken up this question from your literature book. It so happened. And the chapter is The Open Window. Imagine yourself to be Vera of the open window. You have befooled the guest as well as your aunt, Aunt Sappleton. Write a diary entry and express your amusement. It was a very fine day for you because you have made fool of two people, and you are Vera, the niece in that story. So how you are going to write the diary? You will write the title, diary entry, then you will write the date, then day, and then comes the time. Why, children, we write time 8:30? Yes, this is important thing that I forgot to tell you. We always write our diary in late evening. It is an account of the day, means, and that account should be written at the end of the day. So the time should be late evening, or you can say night. It can be the time of night. You cannot write your diary entry in the morning or in the afternoon. It is to be written at the end of the day. So time should be late evening or night. So here time is 8:30 p.m. Then salutation, dear diary. What an amusing day it was. Children, first sentence of a diary should be exclamatory sentence. It gives good impression on the examiner. So, what an amusing day it was. I befooled two people with my wits and enjoyed thoroughly. A stranger came to my aunt's place to meet her. He was new to this place as well as my aunt. I made him fool by telling that today was the tragic day in the life of my aunt, Mrs. Sappleton, as she had lost her husband and two brothers on this day 3 years back, and also told that she still believed that they would come back today evening in the same way as they used to come. That was the reason to keep the window open. The poor guy, he believed my story to be true. And then suddenly my uncles, who had gone for hunting, came back. How terrified Mr. Frampton was after seeing them coming. His looks still amuse me, and the way he ran away was so funny. So I cannot forget this day ever in my life. Vera. So this was the diary entry, sample diary entry. Students, you are going to write this diary entry in your notebook, and I have one homework for you, and your homework is, you are Ahmad Nadeem Qasim, who has spent 4 rupees on buying jalebis. Write a diary entry in about 80 to 100 words expressing your sense of guilt that though that money was for your school fees, but you spent that money on buying jalebis, distributing them to the people and enjoying it, but later on you were filled with great guilt. So you are going to write this diary entry following the same format, same pattern, and will be submitting your work in the Google Classroom. Thank you. Have a good day.